Hi everybody, it's Gordon again here today talking a little bit more about an inspector calls and in particular the business of what we call stage instructions. First things first, you must remember that an inspector calls is a piece of drama. It's not a book as such, it's a drama script, and therefore it's vital as far as the playwright is concerned that you enter the world of the play as quickly and efficiently as possible. And also that world is a credible one, and one in which the different sort of tensions and different situations are explored quite early on really for you. So stage instructions are a very practical, very useful tool that a playwright can use, and it works a number of ways. Now at the very start of an inspector course you're going to find almost a page and a half actually of stage instructions. So J.B. Priestley has been really careful giving detailed instructions to the director of the play in helping him or her to put that together. Not least in terms of the physical setting. This is obviously a very comfortable house. Priestley is careful to tell us that it doesn't feel like a cosy home in any way really, which is interesting. It's a prosperous home, but it's not really a particularly welcoming or comfortable place to be in certain ways. Perhaps there are other things at play in this house, in this home that's owned and lived in by the Burling family. The furniture, we're told, is quite solid, quite heavy and solid, which would indicate something of the perhaps traditional values that they represent, particularly the parents, Mr. and Mrs. Burling. In addition to the physical setting, we've also got the characters described. So in the stage instructions, pulling together the physical setting and the characters, J.B. Priestley has Mr. Burling sat at one end of this large dining table and his wife Mrs. Burling sat at the other end. So it's a very formal setting, very traditional roles occupied by the mother and father in the play. Even at this very, very early stage we can see that as the audience. Moving on, we've got various characters referenced. We've got all the characters, Mr. Burling, Mrs. Burling, the children, Sheila and Eric Burling, and of course Sheila's fiancé Gerald Croft, and of course the parlourmaid too, and they're described in various ways for us to give us a sort of an early inkling as to what sort of people they are and how they relate to each other. So the stage instructions have been very helpful, not least perhaps at the very end where the stage instructions tell us that they're actually celebrating as the audience enter the world of an inspector calls. So the clue is that everything's fine, everything's happy. This is a really sort of comfortable, easy world, and of course as the play develops and unfolds we're going to see the cracks appear in that world in due course. So I'll leave it for now. That's just an introduction in terms of stage instructions, and they are important, and we'll look at those as we go through the play. So I'll leave you for now and we'll catch up soon. Bye for now.